Hello students, I am Sandhi Nanda and today I am going to teach you biology. In this video, first of all, I will give the explanation of page number 11 and 12 which is remaining in video second, and then I will give you long answers of chapter 1. I think you have completed exercises and short answers which we have given in the previous video. So today we will give the long answers and differentiation of this chapter. First of all, I will give the explanation. So open the page number 11 of your book. Here one topic is given: modification of leaves in insectivorous plants. First of all, I want to tell you what is the insectivorous plant. What are the insectivorous plants? Insectivorous plants are those which can eat insects. Yes, it is very strange that plants can eat insects or not. Yes, some plants can eat insects. The example of this kind of plants are pitcher plant, Venus flytrap and bladderwort. These three examples are given in your book. Actually, some special type of plants need nitrogen and minerals for their growth, but from photosynthesis they cannot get that nitrogen and minerals. But insect contains minerals and nitrogen both. So these kind of plants can do photosynthesis as well as they can eat insects also for their for the completion of their nutritional needs. So first of all, I am telling you the pitcher plant. You can see the picture in the page number 12. On the page number 12 of your book, here is also a picture of the pitcher plant. In this kind of plant, the leaf of the plant is changed into a pitcher. Pitcher means घड़ा. एक घड़े के लाइक शेप बन जाती है एंड द लीफ अपेक्स ऑफ द लीफ इज टर्न्ड इनटू अ लिड और यू कैन से कैप. व्हेन एन इंसेक्ट कम इनटू द कांटेक्ट विद दिस प्लांट then what happens, this comes into the contact with the plant or insect, then this lid tip closed and that insect get trapped into the plant. So then the plant start to secrete digestive juices and this insect is digested by these digestive juices. Again I am telling you, in pitcher plant a pitcher like shape is present, a lid is present. When the insect come into the contact with the plant, this lid closes and the pitcher starts to secrete digestive juices for the digesting of that particular insect. This is called pitcher plant. Next one I am telling you, Venus flytrap. It is very easy. In Venus flytrap, edges of the leaves have long pointed hairs. You can see in the picture, these are the pointed hairs, or you can say spines. These are the spines. Spines means kaante. When the insects come into the contact, the insects get stuck here, फंस जाता है यहाँ पर. And then midrib is present here and the leaf is divided into two part, one part and two part. When the insect is stuck here, these two hinges closes up. These two hinges suddenly closes up and the insect gets trapped and digested by the juice secreted by the leaf. Then the next one is the bladderwort. The leaves of the bladderwort are highly segmented. This is the picture of bladderwort. You can show in your page in your book in page number 12. In bladderwort, when an insect enters through the opening, it gets trapped. Again some hairs are present in the bladderwort, you can see, but these are not the spine, these are the hairs. Insects can get stuck. इनके बीच में भी क्या होता है, इंसेक्ट जो है वो फंस जाता है और उसके बाद ये जो माउथ ओपनिंग दिखाई दे रही है ये क्लोज हो जाती है और इंसेक्ट जो है वो डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस के थ्रू डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द ब्लैडरवर्ट. आई होप इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट्स आर क्लियर टू यू. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन इन लीफ. What is vegetative propagation? In some plants, a new plant can be developed from the vegetative parts like roots, stems or leaves. This is known as vegetative propagation. You can see in the picture one big leaf is there. Easily you can see one big leaf is there and one small leaves are present there. Many small leaves are present there. Actually what happens in some plants, some leaves are grown onto the leaves and they take nourishment from the big leaf, and after some time these leaves fallen off into the soil and they can grow into the new plant. So growing of the new plant with the help of the leaves, not with the help of the seed, is called the vegetative propagation. जब कोई भी प्लांट ग्रो करता है सीड की हेल्प के बिना, सीड की हेल्प के बिना मीन्स सिर्फ यहाँ पर लीव्स ग्रो कर रही हैं एक दूसरी लीफ के ऊपर, जब वो सॉइल में गिर जाती हैं तो वो एक नया प्लांट बना लेती हैं. इट मीन्स प्लांट किससे बना? न्यू लीफ से. आई थिंक इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. जब नई लीव से कोई प्लांट बनेगा इट इज़ कॉल्ड वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन इन लीव्स. लाइक दिस प्लांट्स कैन बी मेक विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रूट्स ऑल्सो, with the help of the stem also and with the help of the leaves also. There is no need of seed to grow a new plant. Then this kind of growth is called vegetative propagation. So example of this kind of propagation is begonia plant, and the another one is the bryophyllum plant. Now I am giving you to the answer number 1 of the long answers. Remember this, I am giving the answer of long answers because short answers and exercises we have already given in video number 2. So for your convenience I am reading the question as well as answers also. So the answer number 1 is cactus plant is grown in desert areas where there is scarcity of water, so leaves are modified into spines to reduce the water loss. Then the question number 2 is, how is green color of leaves helpful to the plants? Answer is, green colored leaves are helpful to plants because it contains chlorophyll and photosynthesis occur in the presence of chlorophyll. If it is not present, then leaves cannot prepare food for the plants. Then question number 3, mention 3 functions of leaves. Answer is, leaves prepare food for the plants by a process of photosynthesis. Excess water of plants is released by the stomata of the leaves. And the third, leaves performs gaseous exchange with the help of stomata. During day times they takes carbon dioxide and release oxygen. In night they takes oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Then question number 4, which types of plants are known as insectivorous plants? Which part of the plant body is modified in these plants? Answer is, some plants grow in places where the soil does not have enough minerals, especially nitrogen. They trap insects and digest them for nutrition. This kind of plants are called insectivorous plants. Leaves are modified into trapping device in this kind of plants. Then question number 5, give 2 examples of the following. First, scale leaves. Examples are ginger and onion. Second, leaf tendrils. Examples are sweet pea and glory lily. Then next, answer number 6. Question number 6. What is meant by the venation of leaves? Write its types with the examples. Answer is, the arrangement of veins and veinlets on the leaf blade is known as leaf venation. There are 2 types of venations, reticulate venation. In this type, veins are interconnected over the entire lamina, forming a web-like network. For example, mango and people leaves. B. Parallel venation. In this type, the veins of the leaf run parallel to each other. For example, leaves of maize and banana. Then question number 7, what are the main parts of a leaf? Answer is, leaf base. The main part of a leaf are leaf base, leaf stalk, axillary bud, leaf blade, leaf margin, midrib and veins. Then next question is, what is a leaf? Mention its type. So the answer is a leaf is a flat, thin, usually green structure that arises from the node present on the stems. There are two types of leaves. A. Simple leaf. It has only one lamina. For example, mango leaf. B. Compound leaf. In it, leaf blade is clearly divided into many distinct parts called leaflets. For example, neem leaf. Then question number 9. Define the following terms. A. Photosynthesis. The process in which leaves prepare food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. B. Stomata. They are the tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves and helps in photosynthesis, transpiration and gaseous exchange. Then the last one, question number 10. Write a short note on vegetative propagation in leaves. Answer is, in some plants, new plants can be developed from the vegetative parts like roots, stems or leaves. This is known as vegetative propagation. The leaves of such plants are thick. They provide enough water and food to the new plantlets. For example, bryophyllum, or you can write begonia also. Then here are the differentiate between the following. First is parallel venation and reticulate venation. You have to write this differentiation like this. You have to draw a line between the parallel and reticulate venation. Then you have to write the differentiation. So parallel venation and reticulate venation. First I am reading parallel, then I will read reticulate. Parallel venation, 1 point. In this type of veins run parallelly to each other. Second, there is no web-like network. Third, for example, maize leaves. Then reticulate venation. First, in this type, veins of the leaf are interconnected over the entire lamina. Second, veins form web-like network. Third, for example, mango leaves. These are the differentiation. Then answer number 2, differentiation, leaf tendril and leaf spine. So first I am reading leaf tendril. The leaf of some plants modify into thin thread-like structure called leaf tendrils. Second, tendrils provide suitable support in climbing of weak plants. Third, for example, wild pea and sweet pea. Leaf spines. In some plants, leaf are modified into spine called leaf spine. Second, spines reduces the loss of water by transpiration. Third, for example, cactus plant. Now the last answer is answer number 3rd of differentiation, simple leaf and compound leaf. First I am reading simple leaf. First, a simple leaf has only one leaf blade. Second, for example, mango and papaya leaves. Then I am reading compound leaf. First, in its leaf blade is divided into many distinct parts called leaflets. Second, for example, neem leaves. I hope it is clear to you. Now, in the next video, we will give the test paper of the chapter number 1. So complete your work and learn this chapter thoroughly. Remaining question I will give you in the next video. Thank you.